Hi, my name is Faith Lindner. I'm a Computer Science 111 at Texas A&M, and today I'm going to teach you about escape sequences in Java. So, escape sequences are used to signal an alternative interpretation of a series of characters. In Java, a character preceded by a backslash is an escape sequence. The Java compiler takes an escape sequence as one single character that has a special meaning. So, let's pull up. So, there are, let's see, 7 escape sequences. And so this one inserts a tab and /t and then /n is new line, /r carriage return, /f form feed. This one inserts single quote. This one inserts a double quote. And this one is just inserts a backslash. So I'm going to show you how each of these work. So let's define our class. Let's see. Our class is escape sequence. And let's do our main. And now I'm just gonna do print lines, and I'm gonna show you how each of them are work in PowerShell. So let's see, what are we gonna say? So print line, we're gonna say howdy. We're gonna say hello world. How about that? That's back to our roots. Okay. So /t. Let's see how that one works. That one's our tab. So let's save and then go to, PowerShell. And we're going to compile javac escape sequence.java and then java escape. So it inserts a tab right there, so it spaces it out. So hello world. And now we're going to do, which one should we do next? Let's do a new line. So that's going to be our /n. So hello /n world. Save. And let's see how that one turned out. Hello world, and then new line hello world. So this one is tab. This one is new line. And let's try carriage return. So hello /r world. Let's save. So that one just printed world. And then let's try form feed. So hello /f world. And that is our form feed. Compile. Oh, I forgot. So for some reason in mine, /f is the female symbol, and I don't know why that is. It's supposed to be form feed. I'm sure that it'll work differently on yours. Let me look up what form feed looks like. I totally forgot about that. Let's see, let's find a picture. So this is what it looks like. This image right here. So it'll like tap, like it'll do like that. You know what yeah, you get the idea. But I don't know why it does that in mine. It's so weird. But yeah. Um, I need to ask my professor about that because I was trying to do that. We had an or is it, I think it's ASCII calendar assignment, and I was trying to use a form feed, and it would just print the female symbol. Don't know why that is. I think it's because I have UTF -8 um, enabled. I'm not sure. I could be totally wrong. I'm probably making this up, but anyway. Okay. And then let's try just printing a single quote. So, hello world. And that should just do a little single quote. See right there? Single quote. And let's try the double quote. Here, and then hello. Let's try the double quote. World. So that has the little double quote. And our last one, backslash. So we're going to do hello world. Just a little backslash in there. So that is all of our escape sequences. I'm so sorry that the form feed didn't work. I don't know how to get it to work. Here, let me look it up really quick. Y/F prints female symbol instead of form feed in Java. So form feed is used to indicate a printer that it should start a new page. I don't see anything about printing the female symbol in here. That is so interesting. Okay. Well, I'll ask my professor about that, but it's supposed to print a new page like this, which I already showed you. Just like that. So, yeah, it follows that. So sorry that that does not work. But hope this made sense. Hope you enjoyed. I mean, escape sequences are really simple. They just are used in like print statements. Yeah, they're easy to understand. But so in my calendar assignment, let's see if I can pull that up. Because I did submit it. It's on my laptop. But I did submit it into Canvas, so I'm wondering if I can pull that up. Yeah, I can download it. Okay. Open file. So here is my let's try to save it as Faith Learner example 1.java in YouTube. Okay, so I had to put extra slashes and then a black. Oh yeah, another escape sequence is backspace. I'm pretty sure that's an escape sequence because I had to use that. So whenever you do /b world, I don't know if that's considered an escape sequence, but it's nice to know. It'll backspace right there. So it's just backspace that space. And so here I had to use extra slashes because it was like it would give me the error illegal escape sequence because I had so many slashes in the 2023. So let's compile that and see how it looks. So I had to print several backslashes, and so I had to use like several backslashes. So let's save this. and compile it. So it looks like this in here, right? But let me show you whenever it compiles. See, no backslashes, and it just does it right, you know. This was my first coding assignment. It was fun to do. Um, it's the ASCII um, art in Java. So yeah, but I had to use that, and then um, the Unicode. I had to do that. I had to print a symbol with a Unicode, and I just did this one because it was originally supposed to be the copyright symbol, but it wasn't working for everyone. Mine would print a question mark, and so yeah. Unicodes is another really interesting thing in Java. I can make a video on that, but yeah. So those are our escape sequences. Hopefully, here, double quote. That bothers me. I'm OCD. Okay, double quote, backslash, and then backspace. I wonder why the backspace one doesn't come up whenever you Google escape sequences. I don't know if it's considered one, but it's nice to know because I had to use that in my first assignment. So yeah, okay, so these are escape sequences in Java. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something, and I hope I get extra bonus points for this assignment. Okay, or for this video. Okay, bye!